All right, guys. Hello. Hello, hello. Oh, I should have said hello, YouTube. I think that's the intro I should start off with. Anyway, before the video starts, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it. All right, let's start with the lesson. Today's lesson, we are going to talk about volume. Now, volume is the space encompassed by a 3D figure. I hope that you guys understand this. All right, so the first volume that we're going to look at is for rectangular prisms or cubes. In order to find the volume of a rectangular prism, you just multiply the length times the width times the height, given here. So for this example, number one, we can say that the volume is equal to the length times the width times the height. In this case, it doesn't matter, 9 or 17 can either be length or width, and 24 can be height. And we just plug that into the equation, and that will give you 17 times 9 times 24, which I don't know what that is, but you can figure it out in the calculator. Perfect. Next, we're looking at all other prisms. Now, in order to find the volume of a prism, first you need to find the area of the base. And then you need to multiply that by the height. For instance, let's look at the first problem. We have a triangular prism. The reason why we call this a triangular prism is because the base is a triangle shown here. Now, every single time you're looking to find the volume of a prism, draw out the base. In this case, the base looks something like this, where the height is 7.3 and the base is 12. How do we know the base is 12? Well, we know that this side is 12, therefore that side must be 12. In order to find, let me make this cleaner. That part is 7.3, this length is 12. In order to find the area of the base, it is a triangle, so it should be base of the triangle times height divided by 2, which in this case is 7.3 times 12 divided by 2. And the the volume of the prism is the base times the height, which would give you 7.3 times 12 divided by 2 times the height of the prism, which is 5. Put that in the calculator, that should give you the answer. Now, the other shapes that we are going to look at is a cylinder for today. Now, the cylinder, it's actually a type of prism, except instead of edges, it is a flat, flat surface. There you go, that works. Now, the base of the cylinder is a circle. And just like any other prism, in order to find the area of a cylinder, you need to find the area of the base, which happens to the circle, and multiply it by height, which is represented here. Volume is equal to pi r squared, which is the area of a circle, times the height. So let's solve it for the example next to us. For number 9, we find that the radius is equal to 18 and the height is equal to 15. That is enough information, excuse me, to find the volume, which is pi r squared times h. Substitute in the values and that will give you the answer. It should look something like pi times 18 squared times 15. Perfect. Now let's look at some applications of volume. This question says, a cylinder with a 2 centimeter diameter is drilled through the triangular prism shown on the left. Find the volume of the prism. Now, this is a similar question in terms of if you have a shape and there's this part, find the shaded area. Well, this is a simple volume of triangular prism minus volume of cylinder will give you the volume of what is left. That's the hint that I'm going to give you guys. I hope you guys can solve it. The base of this triangular prism is shaped as such, 5, 5, and then the diameter of the cylinder is 2. That should be enough information to solve. All right, all you guys have to do is finish this page, fill out all the other questions, and you're good to go. I'll see you guys soon. See you guys tomorrow. Hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you guys. Bye.